Hi everyone, my project title is Low Temperature Operating SCR for Emission Reduction. SCR means nothing but Selective Catalytic Reduction. In India and most part of the world, the emerging problem is air pollution. Air pollution is mostly due to the vehicular pollutions because vehicle is transporting about 96.5% of CO2 every year. So the major pollution can be reduced by controlling the pollution in vehicles. So for that, Indian government has planned to step up Bharat stage norms from 4 to 6. They are in need to reduce the emission controls, emission problems. So they are need some advanced technologies for reducing this problem. So in Bharat stage 6 vehicles, SCR, that is selective catalytic reduction, is employed. As the name indicates, there is a catalyst is placed in the technology. The catalyst will observe the emission gases, that is harmful gases like NOx, carbon monoxide and all, and releases only its products, that is nitrogen and water. So coming to this point, in European norms they are already using selective catalytic reduction, but they are facing some problems that which are it operates only at high temperature. That means only after traveling to 10 to 15 kilometers only the setup of the technology is starting. So efficiency is very low in this process because before traveling to 15 kilometers itself, 50% percentage of the emission gases are released. So it is greatly inefficient, and also the catalysts used are vanadium, titanium, which are very costly. So we have to reduce the cost. Our aim is to reduce the cost and to increase the efficiency. So coming to our project, in our project we employed a catalyst called carbon monoxide, magnesium dioxide, that is MnO2. MnO2 is employed here because it has good absorbing capabilities, and we used ceramic material for absorbing the gases because it has a high fatigue strength and mechanical strength, so it can be used.
This video shows the experimental setup of our project. In this video, bike is connected with our project, that is SCR is placed inside this silencer. This silencer is reverted here, and followed by it is placed with a AdBlue injector. The AdBlue solution is kept here. Inside that, submersible pump is used to pump the solutions, and injector is operated with the help of a battery which will inject the AdBlue solutions into the silencer. And here's the hollow place has that SCR, that ceramic, and this is the complete setup. Then it is followed by testing. Testing is done using exhaust gas analyzer. At first, engine without SCR is considered, and engine is monitored with the exhaust gas analyzer. In this, the NOx reduction, carbon monoxide and other emissions are very high because SCR is not present there. While considering the SCR, the project is demonstrated here. Here you can see the results. It is the experimental setup. The project is set up like this, and it is tested using the exhaust gas analyzer. So using this, NOx reduction, CO2, CO and hydrocarbons are greatly reduced. This is a project. This will surely enable to achieve carbon free India, and also we can greatly reduce the air pollution. Thank you.